You know, I'm gonna be honest here. I think that 99% of specifically new YouTubers or people who are looking to get started on YouTube put way too much store and stock in being monetized here on the platform. There are like way more ways, that was an excessive use of the word way, to drive income and to create income with a YouTube channel. So today I want to chat about the 4 streams of income that every single YouTuber should have, whether you are brand new, whether you are advanced, whether you are just getting started, it doesn't matter. And let me give you a little hint, ain't none of these 4 Google AdSense. This video is sponsored by Shopify and Oberlo. Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. Oh, guys, this is the first piece of content of the new year. This is the first video on this channel of 2021. And even though I'm recording this prior to January 1st, 2021, I'm praying that there was some kind of like magic reset button that got hit at midnight. And I hope that as you're watching this, we're all just like back to normal. I doubt it, but that's my New Year's wish. Not only is it the first video of 2021, but it's probably the last video here in my home office. If you missed the videos where I announced it, I signed a lease on a studio and I've spent the last month getting it ready to be this like perfect YouTube podcasting work studio for me and my growing team, which right now only consists of my full-time assistant. But I've spent the last month getting it ready, and I did definitely release a video showing you kind of behind the scenes, the reason why I got it, and what it looked like in the beginning. And don't worry, a video about what it looks like now is coming very, very soon. And I'm not saying that I'll never be filming in this home office again, because odds are I'll film here every once in a while because I can't get to my office, I don't want to go to my office, I want to create a piece of content and whatever. But the next video you see will be in my new studio. And that should be really exciting because she pretty. I'm really excited about my new studio. It'll give me the opportunity to like walk around more and create more dynamic pieces of content that I just can't create here in my small home office, you know? I recently did a presentation at an online conference, and one of the things that I said in that presentation was that I think there's 2 different mindsets when it comes to being on YouTube, and that I don't think either one is perfectly correct, and I think we need a solid combination of both of them. And that is that some people go into being a YouTuber and only see themselves as a YouTuber, only see themselves as a creator, and that really narrows down their field of vision for the opportunities that they can have here on YouTube. On the flip side of that, there are people who get on YouTube, like I did, to use it as an asset for their business and are narrowing their field of vision on the amount of creativity or the awesomeness that they can create here on this platform, and never see themselves as a YouTuber or a creator, only see themselves as a business owner who creates YouTube videos. And I don't think either one is correct. I think we need a solid, like a solid mix of both of them. I think as YouTubers, regardless of how we're using the platform, our brain needs to be right in the middle of those 2 mindsets. So if you're a YouTube creator and you only think of yourself as a creator, I want you to start thinking of yourself as a business owner. And thinking of yourself in that way is going to open up a whole new world of opportunities and possibilities and ideas that you can use to create streams of income, which obviously is what we're talking about today. And vice versa, if you are a business owner on YouTube, I think you need to like kind of cross that line a little bit and start thinking of yourself as a YouTuber more. And since a lot of people have a hard time kind of getting outside of their own head and figuring out what this means, like how do I stop thinking of myself as just a YouTuber, or how do I stop thinking of myself as just a business owner, I am here with the 4 streams of income that every YouTuber should have. And I mean everyone. Everyone. Doesn't mean only the people with 100,000 subscribers or more, or only the people with 1 million subscribers or more, or only the people on here trying to do vlogs, or only the people on here trying to create tutorials. I mean everybody. Every single body. Oh, with it zoomed out like that, you can see my watering can. You can still kind of see it, but just know that I actually water my snake plant. And you should be proud of me for that, because I've never watered a plant consistently a day in my life, and I've had him for about a year. Okay, I said in the beginning of this that this did not include Google AdSense, and it doesn't. This is 4 streams of income you should have beyond Google AdSense and or before you're eligible to monetize your channel. And I think so often as YouTubers, we get so hung up in needing to monetize and getting to that like elusive 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours and like all of this stuff, because the world is gonna be better when we monetize. And I'm not saying it's shabby money or that it's a problem or that you shouldn't want that, but what I am saying is you shouldn't let that hold you back from actually creating income here on the platform. So the first stream of income that every YouTuber should have and can start right now is affiliate marketing. I've done 42,000 pieces of content around how to get started with affiliate marketing, so I'm not gonna go entirely to depth here. I will definitely link those tutorials below in the description, but essentially affiliate marketing is when you get paid a commission for sharing someone else's product or service. And you can get started with this today. If you go below my video, you will see where I link up all of my camera equipment. And actually, I need to change that since I upgraded my camera. But you'll see all of my camera equipment. You'll see links to things that I mentioned in the video, all of that good jazz, and those are all affiliate links. So what happens is if you go through and you're like, okay, I want that microphone she was talking about, or I love the way her videos look, I want to have the camera she's using or whatever. If you go through my links to purchase them, then I get a small commission. Now, the really cool thing about affiliates is it doesn't cost the customer anything to use your link. And I feel like for whatever reason, there's a stigma around, sharing affiliate links or whatever, that people get annoyed when other people share affiliate links and whatnot, but I completely disagree with that. And if people are consuming your free content and you are putting free content into the world, the least they can do is use your affiliate links when they're wanting to purchase something that they found via your channel or via your brand in general. And depending on what types of things you are selling through an affiliate link, this could really rack you up some income pretty quickly. I recently ran up on Tom Buck's channel, and I ran up on his channel because I was researching new microphones after I broke my podcast mic, and I had already been looking at buying new podcast microphones or buying a new podcast microphone, and I stumbled on his channel through my research. Now, Tom has a channel with less than 50,000 subscribers, but he is reviewing things that are probably giving him a pretty decent amount of commission when people click through his links to purchase. I intentionally clicked through Tom's link to purchase my microphone because his video was the one that helped me really solidify my decision and say, yes, I am buying this particular podcasting mic, okay? I ended up buying the Shure MV7 mic, and it is about $250. So depending on the commission rate for that particular item on Amazon, he could have made anywhere from, $5 to $25 from my purchase of that mic. But I'm not the only one who purchased it from that video. Now, I have absolutely no clue how much money Tom Buck has made from affiliates. However, that video alone has 34,000 views. And again, I can't be the only one who's clicked his link to purchase it. So even though he's not got this ginormous channel, the fact that he's reviewing things that cost a little bit more money means that with every click, with every affiliate purchase, he's getting more money than someone who's selling something that's like $10 or $20, if that makes sense. And so my point to this whole Tom Buck story is that depending on the types of affiliate links you are sharing on your YouTube channel, you could create a full-time income from this really quickly. You could replace your existing income with affiliate marketing pretty quickly, even if you don't have a massive channel. I'm not saying everybody should start going and reviewing like super expensive equipment or anything like that. I'm just saying this is a really great stream of income regardless of what your channel size is, regardless of what you talk about, because people are always wanting to know what you use, how you use it, and how they can purchase it. Moving on to the second stream of income that every single YouTuber should be utilizing, that is sponsorships. Sponsorships, guys. You do not have to have a massive channel to start reaching out to sponsors. You do not have to have a certain amount of views, a certain amount of watch time hours, a certain amount of anything to start reaching out to sponsors and asking them to sponsor your content. Now, I'm also not saying that with a small channel, you can expect an advertiser or a sponsor to pay thousands of dollars for a piece of your content. However, you can start doing this whether you're small or large, and sponsorships are a great way to fund the ability for you to continue to create quality free content here on the platform. If you want to see a whole video about sponsorships, how you get them, how to reach out, like what that looks like, all the things, definitely let me know in the comments below, and I can absolutely create another video specifically about that to kind of point you in the right direction. But if you are not currently utilizing sponsorships in your YouTube journey, I definitely think it's a good idea. This third one is one that I'm gonna make sure I do this year, and I have not done before. And I think it's such a missed opportunity when you have a community on the internet, when you have people who love what you do, love the content you create, all the things. And that is merch / your own physical products of some sort. You can create t-shirts, hats, mugs, notebooks, camera bags, branded lens cap covers, your own clothing line, stickers. Honestly, the possibilities here are endless, and the ability to create and sell merchandise is so much easier than it used to be with services like Shopify and Oberlo. Actually, you know what? Let me just go ahead and pause right here and tell you a little bit more about Shopify and Oberlo and how this can help you create merch and your own products in like the easiest freaking way possible. With Shopify and Oberlo, you literally don't have to worry about management of inventory when it comes to creating merch or creating physical products that you want to sell to your audience here on YouTube. And Shopify has long been one of my favorite e-commerce platforms because I think they make it super easy, super SEO friendly, and super user friendly for the customer. But not only that, now they have created Oberlo, which is kind of multi-layer awesome. One, you can learn how to up the level of your game in this merch and entrepreneurship world because they have courses where you can learn how to design your dream life, drop ship, build your brand on Instagram, grow on TikTok. They have a ton of courses that you can learn from, but not only that, and more importantly, to the point of this video, they have drop shipping that integrates natively with your Shopify account. My mind is blown. My mind is blown. Basically, they have created an easy to use system where you find products scares the bejesus out of you. Don't let it, because something like this can make your world so much easier. And you never, ever have to deal with inventory. I mean, that is magical. And I always kind of feel bad for people who've created merch or a physical product in the past without this opportunity. So if you're looking to capitalize on this stream of income here on YouTube and you want to create merch, create physical products, Shopify and Oberlo are a dream team for you. So I'm going to link them below in the description so you can check them out now. And honestly, this sponsorship and this partnership couldn't have come at a better time because this is something that I'm looking to do in 2021, and I can't wait to do it in such an easy way. So there's no like major inventory to manage, there's no overhead, and I don't have to add another thing to my plate other than creating the products, putting them online, and letting you guys buy them. Last but not least, the fourth stream of income every single YouTuber should have is digital products, PDFs, guides, courses, templates. The possibilities are honestly endless here, and every single YouTuber should have this type of income stream coming into their business. See, with digital products, There's absolutely no overhead at all, basically. And you can create anything your audience is asking for. I have courses. I have a course about how to use ClickUp. I have a course about YouTube. I have a course about blogging and content creation in general. I am currently running a live course about Instagram. So digital products can range from, PDFs and templates in that way, all the way to courses and everything in between. If you're a photographer who uses Lightroom, you could sell Lightroom presets. If you are someone who teaches editing in Adobe Premiere, you could sell LUTs, which are basically presets for Adobe Premiere. The possibilities are seriously endless here. And I have had a ton of success selling digital products, and I know people who have as well. And if you have a following on YouTube, you should absolutely be giving them what they want. Give them what they want. They're asking you for how to work their camera, or how to do this, or the presets that you use, or this, that, or the other. They're asking for those things. And so if you can give that to them and make a little money along the way, why would you not do it? And to circle back around to today's sponsors, you can actually sell digital products on Shopify as well. So if you're like, but I don't know how to get started, that's a really great place to get started. But also I have a whole video on how to create and sell digital products that I will link below in the description. We've covered a lot here. Let's recap. If you are a TubeUber, you should be bringing in the dollar bills with affiliates, sponsorships, physical products / merch, and digital products. I think you should have all of those streams of income. I really do. From this one video alone, I could be making money from all 4 of these streams of income plus Google AdSense. Because my channel is monetized, I will be turning on ads for this video. And so I will make money on this video from ads alone. But not only that, but as you know, Shopify and Oberlo sponsored this video. So I did make some money from that company for including them as a sponsor in this content. So that's the second way I will definitely make money from this video. I mentioned a couple of my courses a minute ago when I was telling you about digital products, and those links will be below in the description. And so if someone clicks through and is like, oh my gosh, I have to have her ClickUp course, I could make money in that way from this one video. If I had merch and or physical products, I could link them below every single video, and you never know which video that someone is going to click the link on to purchase your merch. So this video, if I had those links below, could absolutely generate income from physical products and merch. And even though I didn't necessarily mention any kind of specific affiliate link in this video, I always have links below all my videos to my camera equipment and other things that I feel confident and comfortable sharing on a regular basis. And so on this video alone, I could make money from every single one of the income streams that I've talked about today, plus Google AdSense. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with having all of these. Actually, I think you should have all of them, and I think you should get started now. Whether you're a small YouTuber or a large YouTuber, whether you are using YouTube as an asset to your business, whether you are just a YouTuber or just a creator, which you are not either of those things, you are awesome. But the power of having a channel, the power of being able to diversify the income that comes in through here, not only means that you can make more money, but it also means that if one of those income streams falls off the face of the earth or the planet or whatever, that you are not completely screwed. The links to everything I've talked about in this video are down below in the description. And I'd love for you to let me know in the comments below which one of these you're going to make sure that you incorporate first. Like which one were you, as you were listening, you were like, oh my gosh, I could totally do that. I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And again, thank you to Shopify and Oberlo for sponsoring this video. If you want to find out more about them and learn how you can use them to diversify your income stream here on YouTube, that link is in the description as well. And until next time, keep being awesome. Bye, y'all.